Hey Cindy, with the inverter on, okay, capacitor in it, the voltage now is 4.26. That's with the capacitor. 4.26, and it's going out to the solar panels. But it's not big voltage like how it was before. So I think this is more acceptable than what it was before. It's not, it didn't drop down all the way to zero, but it's got lower voltages. So it's 4 point something. And then, like I said, the inverter is on right now, and the capacitor is installed already. I can check the voltage on another one without the capacitor yet, just to show you the difference. I'll do that right now. Okay, this is one of the other inverters that is on. This one doesn't have the capacitor yet. The voltage actually is not bad. I was looking at that, and it's 8.24. It did drop a little, as I can see, but this one has only 8.24. But like I said, this voltage is with the units being not in parallel. They're single units. They're working as single units, not in parallel. So it's 8.22. That's what it's showing right now. I'm gonna check another one. I have another one here that I can check. Okay, so it's just to see the voltage. But it did drop with the capacitors. Like in this case, you can see that it's about half of the voltage. When they were in charging mode, when their inverters were off, that's when it was showing more voltage going out. So I'll see what's going on right now. I'm gonna check another one. This is inverter number 5. This one here is on, and let's check what the voltage is to the solar panels at night. And it's about the same. Okay? It's about the same as the one before. 8.43. So it's 8 point something. So with the capacitors only dropped to like 4 point something. But for some reason, now that they're in single units, not in parallel, the voltages are not that high. When they were in parallel, they were showing higher voltages. Now they're not showing that much voltage going out. I mean, it's a little bit of voltage. I mean, 8 point something, but not a lot. And with the capacitors, it's dropped down to like 4 point something. I'm gonna put the capacitor to this too, and we'll go from there. Like I said, the only problem right now that we're having, Cindy, is like, I'm not gonna put them in parallel yet because I need to put all 6 of them. I have 2 units that are not working. So I need those units working before I start rewiring everything to parallel again. Okay? But anyway, I just wanted to show you the difference with the capacitors without the capacitors. Okay? Thank you. I'll share the video.